Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your device and accounts for a restore process. You need the same phone number and the same Google account or iCloud account for the restore. Update Truecaller to the latest version before attempting any restore. Confirm that a recent backup exists in Google Drive or iCloud inside your account. Ensure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection and at least 20% battery remaining. Grant Truecaller permission to access your contacts and storage if prompted. Open Truecaller on the device where you want to restore data. Go to Settings, then select Backup and Restore to begin the process. Choose your Google account or iCloud account that contains the backup file. Tap Restore and follow prompts to verify your phone number via SMS. The app will download contacts, call history, and settings from the cloud backup. Wait for the process to finish and avoid closing the app during the restore. If the restore fails, check Google Play services and your network connectivity first. Make sure sufficient storage exists in your Google Drive or iCloud account before retrying. Reinstall Truecaller and sign into the same phone number and cloud account to retry the restore. If you still see problems, export contacts as a vCard and import them manually into your phone contacts. Set automatic backups daily or weekly inside Truecaller to avoid data loss in future cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.